name is Soumya and today I will be checking out how to become an optometrist here at Chandigarh University. There is an acute shortage of qualified optometrists in India and abroad. There is only one optometrist over a population of 2 lakh people in this country. That clearly indicates the ever-growing demand of this specialized profession. Also, as per industry estimates, there is a requirement of over 2 lakh qualified optometrists in near future. One of the most reputed professions in United Nations, being an optometrist opened doors to the global careers as well. Chandigarh University is now offering a 4-year bachelor degree in optometry for all the young and bright students looking for a rewarding career in healthcare industry. This specialized course will cover both theoretical and practical aspects with strong focus on learning the workings of the eye. Special emphasis is given on the communication aspect as it is imperative for students to understand the patients and what exactly they require attention on. Chandigarh University has the most conducive student ratio, which allows lecturers to approach individual learning of each student and personal attention. Students will learn in real life and environment through advanced labs and infrastructures. University has collaborations with leading healthcare institutes, which gives our students an opportunity to complete their degree with 6 months professional training. Let's take a look at what career lies ahead of you upon completion of this course. Optometrists have varied options in teaching, consultants in eye care industry, sports, government service and public health. Optometrists can also set up their own private clinics. Chandigarh University has partnership with over more than 150 international universities, which means you can relocate abroad for higher studies or for internships. So what are you waiting for? Come and join me here at Chandigarh University.